Y'all thought it was over with the Dodge, didn't you? Come on now. Surely you didn't think it was over. One little truck gonna take out 3 wheels? I mean, if a wheel didn't take out 3 wheels, what's the whole truck gonna do? What's going on, guys? Who's in the vlog back again? We're in the garage, and this is the next project right here. It will be debuting next week. I decided to take a little bit of time, take a break between the Dodge and this next thing. First of all, to thank all of you guys watching this video and every video that you watched on the channel, whether it's a short that brought you here or something on the Pole Hunter Camaro, something on the Misfit Nova, the Seasick Blue Chevelle, an oil change video, whatever it is that brought you here, I just want to thank you because you guys make it great to be, in the garage recording videos to share the experience with people out there. So I greatly appreciate each one of you. I can't thank you enough. We're 3,500 plus subscribers, almost 4,000, and honestly, I never thought I'd see numbers like that. I just didn't. I was really just trying to share the experience with people, and some people really enjoy it, which is really cool, and I appreciate that. Now, with that said, I got some feedback from the Dodge from some people, and most of it was like, yeah, if they don't want to pay, then send them on their way. Now, understand this. It was not about the money. Because some jobs I do, they don't pay at all. It's never about the money. It's about principle. One thing, in my garage, in my shop, I'm not going to cut corners for you. I'm just not. I won't do that. If you want to slap Bondo over rust and paint it, then take it somewhere else. Just take it somewhere else. The other thing is, unless we're real close, you're not going to come work in my shop. Because you're not going to clean up after yourself. And you didn't pay for this. So I don't even know why I need to explain that part. But it's like somebody's going to come in your house, go in your fridge, and eat your food, and then complain because they wanted chocolate ice cream, and you got strawberry. Come on. And the third thing is, I'm not going to argue with anybody over anything that I'm doing. Like if I'm doing something wrong, and you guys know if I do something wrong, I own it. I own it good or bad. I've had to go back and strip a car back down because I missed a step in the prep. And that's on 3 wheels. And I will make sure it's right. That's what I do. I make sure it's right. Even if it takes longer, even if it's more aggravating, it's better to be done right the first time than to have to deal with it 4 or 5 years from now. I want to look 10 years from now and say, man, that thing still looks good. I wonder who did that. Oh, that was me. Man, that's what I'm talking about. So, the Dodge left on principle, not on money. I just wanted to clear that up so you guys knew that, I'm not just out here doing a cash grab. Because I'm not. This is a passion. This is a hobby. Oh, did I say it was a hobby? Y'all thought I did this full time, didn't you? No, this is a hobby. And that's the other thing. I'm not going to be aggravated doing something I like to do. Man, who would do that? I'm going to come out to the garage, to the shop, and work on something that's therapeutic, and then deal with aggravation because not this guy. Absolutely not. So I enjoy this hobby, and I enjoy to share the experience because some guys are like, hey, I'm thinking about doing a taillight swap on a Camaro. Or I'm thinking about doing a front end swap on a Camaro. Or I'd like to see what it's like to do a frame off, or convert a rusty pickup truck into something that looks great. Some people enjoy that. I enjoy it, and I just like to share the experience. I just want to clear that up. It's about principle. It's not about dollars. I mean, dollars are nice, don't get me wrong, but like I said in another video, I do a lot of charity work. And that's not to brag. I do a lot of charity work because I remember when I was younger and somebody gave me a hand up to get me to where I need to be. And most importantly, all this you see in the background was provided by somebody other than me. So I'm always thankful to have an opportunity to come out in this garage, pick up a piece of sandpaper, a paint gun, a broom. I'm thankful just to be out here and enjoy the experience, and I just want to share that with you. So to all my subscribers out there, you guys are awesome. I greatly appreciate you. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And as you know, there's going to be more exciting stuff coming on the channel because what can I say? All right, so I've yapped enough. Now you guys are like, man, we wanted to see something happen. What are you doing, 3 Wheels? I don't see anything happening. You just running your mouth. We got to look at your silly looking self on the camera. So you guys probably want to see what this is, right? Real quick, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because the other video goes into more detail about what this is, which is already recorded. And it's kind of after the fact, but I want to clear up the space between so we're all on the same page. We got a vehicle on a rotisserie. That's it. We got a vehicle on a rotisserie. That's all you're getting. Oh, man. That rain's coming down outside. You know what? I think that's it. I've got some prep work to do. I just want to thank you for tuning in. I think we're going to do some giveaways. I got some like paint guns back there, and I got tool sets. I need to give back to the people that have been giving to me. Because you know, Three Wheels in a Block, we're giving back what time is taken away. We'll see you soon.